Discover the top 10 bone marrow transplant specialist doctors in India known for their exceptional experience, expertise, and high success rates. Dr. Nitin Sood, with over 30 years of experience in hemato-oncology, Dr. Sood is a pioneer in bone marrow transplantation in India. Renowned for his expertise in treating various blood disorders. Offers a wide range of transplant options, including autologous and allogenic transplants. Dr. Rahul Bhargav, a seasoned hematologist with over 30 years of experience in bone marrow transplantation. Dr. Bhargav is known for his expertise in haploidentical transplants and novel cell therapies. Dr. Jose M. Izzo, a stalwart in the field of oncology with over 40 years of experience in bone marrow transplantation. Dr. Izzo offers cutting-edge treatments for hematological malignancies and solid tumors. Dr. Satya Prakash Yadav, a dedicated paid hematologist with a passion for improving patient outcomes through transplantation. Dr. Yadvi specializes in pediatric bone marrow transplants and immune deficiencies. Dr. Shantanu Sen, a veteran in the field of pediatric oncology and bone marrow transplantation. Dr. Saini is known for his expertise in treating rare genetic disorders through transplants. Dr. Rahul Nathani, a distinguished hematologist with a wealth of experience in bone marrow transplantation. Dr. Nathani is known for his expertise in aplastic anemia and rare blood disorders. Dr. Dharma Chaudhary, a trailblazer in the field of stem cell transplantation with a focus on advancements in the field. Dr. Chaudhary specializes in novel transplant techniques and graft engineering. Dr. Ashish Dikshit, an esteemed hematologist with a keen interest in bone marrow transplantation research. Dr. Dixit is known for his expertise in lymphoproliferative disorders and myeloma. Dr. Manisha Jain, a seasoned hematologist with a holistic approach to patient care. Dr. Jain specializes in haploidentical transplants and immunotherapy. Dr. Himalta Dose, a dedicated pediatric hematologist with a commitment to advancing bone marrow transplantation in India. Dr. Dosis specializes in haploidentical transplants and immune modulation therapies. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in bone marrow transplant in India. WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.